Hello everyone, my name is Stef and today we're going to talk about technical analysis of the crypto markets. So sit tight, enjoy the video, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's continue. So today is the 11th of September 2021 and currently Bitcoin has this red weekly rejection candle. And yeah, currently there is a chance that this was the previous lower high from this like consolidation. So if this is the current weekly high and this is a lower high, then we expect a lower low or some defense of this cluster here, which is like you see this gap from 44,000 to 39,000. There's a gap. And you can see that this cluster here is really nice for longs. And yeah, if you wanted to buy this run up, this is like a great opportunity to buy. Normally, I'm not a financial advisor, but as you can see, this is like the currently weekly high, previous weekly high. So if Bitcoin we want to be bullish, we want to see this cluster retested or close above it. So if Bitcoin closes above 42,000, that is bullish, but we must see that on the daily, we must see that this consolidation needs to be broken. So what we have is probability of a lower high, then a continuation lower, and then taking this cluster. So as you can see, most of the volume was here, and yeah, we failed to make, so we have a swing failure pattern. We made a high, then a drawdown. And as you can see, if we put just the Fibonacci retracement tool from the, let's see, from the 3-day. So from the 3-day, from the previous weekly high to the previous swing low, you see that we tapped the 0618, probably is the 07 something. So yeah, I see this as currently no trade zone. Probably if Bitcoin falls in this cluster from 38,000 to 42,000, I'll be buying. And with the stop loss probably here at 32,000 because look at this cluster. So that's what I like in the new update on HyperTrader. You have the volume profile, which is really nice, and some other features that you can see on their site. If you like to use the HyperTrader, just use my code CryptoStef and you'll be set up on for life, and you get 10% discount for using HyperTrader. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's see Ethereum. So Ethereum USDT, currently we have a situation of probably a double top, and as you can see this volume is lower, so this run up is not as great as this run up because we don't see any volume rising. So we see there is a probability of going to 2800, 2700 to 2900, which is was tested. So this sounds like a retracement from the previous, but we don't see we see that Ethereum is more on the monthly, more bullish than BTC. So yeah, I'll set alert if ETH falls on this monthly close 2007. I'll be buying. And as you can see, this monthly is an inside bar spinning doji candle. Yeah, and that's what I wanted to say. So currently Bitcoin is bearish. Hello, my name is Stefan and this is the S4 video tab. Ethereum is more bullish than Bitcoin, and this inside bar is saying that there will be consolidation in the probability of 2 to 3 months. So that's my take. Consolidation, and we will see what's next. So key level for Bitcoin 38,000 to 42,800 to 2,950. That's my take. See you soon. If you have any question, come to my Discord. Link is below. See you.